is this program geared toward?
Well, we want to draw into the program people that are internally ready and committed to completely shift out of all of the old understandings that we have been conditioned and brought up with into what we call the new earth, or the more, how should we say, higher dimensional perspectives of how to navigate your life, how to move not only in this physical world, but in the etheric world. So it's designed for people that have done a lot of the homework already, but essentially for people that are committed to their awakening, whatever that means for them, their full awakening. You could say for their enlightenment, self-enlightenment, or those that truly wish to be completely self-sustained and happy from within, from that joyful place within. So it could be advanced healers, it could be advanced life coaches, it could be people that have done service work over many decades. It could also be for the new millennial people that are born with, how shall we say, we call them advanced gifts, that want to learn how to hone and manage their gifts so that they don't get overwhelmed with what's happening in the world and within their own life. But it's basically for those that know how to meditate, that know how to go within and are willing to do the homework, if you will, the self-study, the practice that will be offered in the program.